We will insert the taper pin into the hole of the handlebar. This will secure or fasten the handlebar to the handle rod. You will go to Assemble and Joint. You will select the top edge of the taper pin and you will see the center point show up in the middle. So you will click on the edge of the taper pin. In the handle ball, you will select this point where you can see the actual depth of the hole and the center point. So you will select in that surface of the hole and you will click. You will select the arrow that will allow you to pull the taper pin up, and we'll just pull it up a distance of along the Z, offset Z of -0.125, and click on OK. You would do the same thing for the taper pin in the other end of the handle rod. When the handle rod is moving, you don't want the handlebars to pass through the vice screw. So you will need to create a contact set. Go to Assemble, New Contact Set. And the components we will select will be the handlebar and the vice screw. And click on OK. So this way, if I try to pull the handle rod through, it will stop when the handlebar comes in contact with the vice screw. We will need to do the same thing between this handlebar and the vice screw. Go to Assemble, New Contact Set. Select the other handlebar and the vice screw and click on OK. This way, we won't be able to pull the handle rod through the vice screw.